What's up everybody, I'm Jason, this is Jay Freebird's Garage, and today we're doing an unboxing of a Saddlemen seat. I got this seat for my 1992 FXR. Decided to upgrade it from the cushiony platform of the 1992 era and move to something a little more that performs with the lines of the bike and something that's a little more comfortable as well. So without further ado, let's open this up. Packaged pretty well, perfectly nice, foam, all in there, formulated too, so Campbell's around, did a great job on that. Here's what it looks like once it's packaged in there as well. So, alright, here's the seat itself, comes fully sealed up, nice well taken care of the package. Alright, the seat itself, let's unbag it. So they use zip tie that you could easily just pull apart or may need a cut. Careful when using extra on it, obviously it's a seat, so you don't want to nick it, otherwise you'll be pretty unhappy with yourself. The Saddlemen step up. This is what it looks like after unboxing it. This one in particular that I bought with is the gripper lumbar, smooth bottom, and a gel added to the passenger area. The gel also always comes with the seat, as far as with everyone that these ones are, they come with in Saddlemen wise, they always come with a gel insert or a gel seat area. It's supposed to reduce, I believe, 40% of hot spots, or so you can ride longer. That's usually what makes your butt sore when you're riding, of course, so it's supposed to reduce that to 40%, I believe, on their website. Couple of key notes to look at, I don't know if you can see it or not, but the stitching looks great. Everything looks tucked up, nice, no fraying, real clean. If there's a smell, it smells like boat leather. I believe this is, I think it's boat leather, so it's gonna hold up. It's meant to go through the abuse. They obviously know it's gonna be outside because it's gonna be on a bike. So it really looks good, smooth, both sides. I went with all black. I kept everything real simple on mine. Just like the simplicity of what they did for the lines. So all black stitching, even on the Saddlemen piece right here. So, and with Saddlemen seats, you can choose anything too. So you can customize this to be a tuck and roll, you can do different colors, you can do all gripper, I believe, and you can do anything you want to it. Different colors, black, blue, whatever matches your bike, you can go with. But my bike is black. I still have the original paint on it, so I just wanted to go simple, black color, just wanted to keep it smooth and make something go with the lines. So the back side, so we can go over that real quick if you have any questions. The install, I'm sure on any bike, super easy. They have a tab here that's going to attach to your rear fender there. Just turn it around, put the bolt in, pretty much done. This one I have a bracket on my bike that actually holds the lever. You lift it up and then you slap it back down. So this one has bolts for those lever pieces to go back in to keep it original, which is really cool. It's another reason why I like this. One with Saddlemen, I'm sure maybe there's probably other seats that keep the original bracketry for the FXRs in particular that allow you to open them up, but that's the reason why I liked it, is because they keep those and you can still have the look without it sacrificing the function of the bike itself. So I plan on riding this obviously for 1,000 miles. The reason why I wanted to show you guys is because I could never find anyone out there that talked about the gel side of the passenger and a true review on passenger side of these. So I'm sure there's maybe someone out there, but I couldn't find it personally. So I wanted to make something. My wife and I ride, so she'll let me know if this really does work. So for those out there that are trying to contemplate which seat to go with, should I go with this big old cushiony couch looking seat or something like this that they all see across the web that, you know, a lot of guys ride with, a lot of stunt riders that are out there ride this. It just looks good, the lines go with the bike. Really skinnies it down, doesn't look so massive on your bike. It's a big focal part when you're riding or when the bike is sitting, is the seat. It's kind of something that drags your eyes right to, so you want to make sure it looks good. There are other seats that look great. This is just my opinion that I liked. So going, like I said, gripper lumbar I went with, smooth, gel added. I'm gonna give it a test ride. 1,000 miles is what I was told that these is when they break in. So after 1,000, hopefully get 1,000 on the passenger as well. See how close we get, and give an honest review for those, for the people that are wondering how the passenger side fits as well. But without anything else, this is the Saddlemen step-up seat, and I think it looks great, looks smooth. Can't wait to ride it, see how it does. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions or want me to fill you in on anything before you make the purchase, I'd love to help you out. So anyways, this is Jay Freebird's Garage. I'm out. Take it easy, guys.